Kuma hindi ria President Uhuru Kenyatta oigire no nginya maabitha thirikari mathurimu hari mundu urona ta maitho mothe merekeirio kuri we. Munini wa President William Ruto:
I thought the lifestyle audit was meant for everybody. But that be as it say, hopefully it will help us put to rest what goes on in the rumor mill and what goes on with half-truths.
No ndaramakio ni uthurimi ucio tondu we gutire kindu egwatire mugaru wa watho na koguo ni eharirie guthuthurio.
And it is expected that every public servant will submit themselves for lifestyle audit when that process begins. William Ruto will be among the first to submit himself for that exercise.
Ugumania ugwetetwo ta kihingisha kinene hari mubango wa thirikari wa gukinyaniria ituge inya iria ifangite gukinyaniria. Ndereti ya ugumania yongereirwo uritu ni munini wa mwaria wa thingira wa Iregi Kanzedena uria ugite thirikari ndigutigana na bara ino,
kwamba ufisadi lazima uangamizwe na mashirika yanayohusika yamepewa jukumu kuhakikisha ya kwamba yote hayo yatekelezwa kwa njia iliyo sawa.
Kanze ekwaragia hindi ya mshamanio wake wa mbere na andiki ya mohoro thingiraini wa Iregi. Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitago Gathoni, Wajihia.